In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money order payments in Shopify. Allowing customers to pay by money order can be useful if you work with clients who prefer offline payments or don't use credit cards. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, money order will be available as a payment option at checkout on your Shopify store. First, sign into your Shopify admin and go to your main dashboard. This is the page where you usually see your store overview, orders, and analytics. We'll be working from here. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This will open a new page with a list of different configuration options for your store, like general settings, shipping, taxes, and so on. From this list, find and select Payments. The Payments section is where you control all the ways your customers can pay, including online providers, wallets, and manual methods. Once you're on the Payments page, scroll down until you find the section for Manual Payment Methods. Manual payment methods are options where you, as the store owner, handle the payment outside of Shopify, such as cash on delivery, bank deposits, or, in this case, money orders. Click on the button to add a manual payment method. A list of different manual methods will appear. From this list, select Money Order. This tells Shopify that you want to offer money orders as one of the offline payment options at checkout. After selecting Money Order, you'll see a form with a couple of text fields. In the first field, labeled something like Additional Details, click into the empty space and type a short description that your customers will see. This could explain that they can pay using a money order and that their order will only be processed once the money order is received and cleared. Keep this part brief but clear. Below that, you'll see another field for payment instructions. Click into this empty field and add detailed instructions explaining exactly how to send the money order. For example, you might include who to make the money order payable to, the mailing address where it should be sent, and any order reference information they should include. The goal is to remove any confusion so customers know exactly what to do after placing an order. When you're happy with the details and instructions, scroll down and click on Activate Money Order. Shopify will save your changes, and Money Order will now appear as a manual payment option during checkout. That's it. You've successfully